Alright guys, today we have something nice. A garbage truck which collects garbage. Let's check it out. If it works real nice. Oh. It's a toy which not only lights up but talks. Yes, it picked it up. Nice. Let's check it out. Let's open the truck, whether it's inside. Oh, now it's made some poo-poo. There's the opening button. Nice. It basically picked up all the garbage up. Let's try again. Nice. Wonderful. Wunderbar. Whoa, what a cool toy. Once again.
Wyżygało. Tak do rana to zbieram.
Nice.